Can non-prescription tablets help sleep? There are several types of over-the-counter tablets that may help sleep. The first group are the vitamin and mineral supplements. We know that a lack of some of these in the diet can cause tension, nervousness, depression, irritability, and even trembling and butterflies in the stomach. These symptoms can all lead to trouble with sleep. Adequate amounts of the B group of vitamins are essential, with B5 pantothenic acid, and B6 being among the most important for sleep. The processing of so many foods we eat eliminates many vitamins. Magnesium is especially involved in the normal functioning of the central nervous system, and importantly, drinking alcohol means lots of the body's magnesium intake goes out in the urine. Calcium is involved in nerve tissue relaxation, which helps sleep, and can decrease your sensitivity to pain. Some nutritionists recommend that where lack of sleep may be due to feelings of stress, supplements should be taken half an hour before bedtime with a warm drink. The supplements for adults may include 10 mg B6, 100 mg B5 pantothenic acid, 250 mg magnesium oxide, and 500 mg calcium lactate. Talk to a pharmacist or health professional about the best way to ensure adequate vitamin intake. Other non-prescription tablets that may help sleep are the herbal remedies sold in chemists and health food shops. Long-term use of these may not be a good idea, both because people are likely to develop tolerance to the effects, so they no longer work as well, and because the health effects of long-term use have not been documented. In most herbal preparations to help sleep, the main active ingredient is valerian. This herb has been used for thousands of years to help sleep and is even mentioned in the Bible. Studies have found that while valerian is useful, a combination of valerian and hops, one ingredient of beer, seems to be the most effective. However, they need to be taken for several weeks before there is significant improvement in sleep. A dose of between 200 and 1000 mg is usual for adults, and it is taken 30 to 60 minutes before sleep time. It will help get to sleep, and relax the muscles. In some people the effects may carry over into the day, making them sleepy. There are also some products on the market to help calm children and teenagers who are highly strung. Hops are the active ingredient and they can be taken during the day or at night. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Share and comments, subscribe now for new videos and update.